It looks like we're gonna have some really good days. We've got boosting session today on the west coast, which is about 5 hours round trip, but it says it's gonna be 35 knots, so it should be pretty sweet. And we've got a foiling session tomorrow. Okay, let's hit the road.
Just fucking stop you in your path.
So yesterday sucked a little bit. We didn't get enough wind, the forecast didn't match up, and it just turned into like a mushy ride on a 9-meter kite and I don't know, maybe 15 gusting 20 knots tops. It was pretty horrendous. Today, however, we're back on the East Coast. It looks like a perfect foiling weather. It should be sunny, but probably won't be. But at least it looks spot on to test out the new Cabrinha Carve, which I'm really stoked about. So let's get out there.
It's